Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 23rd June 2025. Economic Outlook. Inflation below 4% goal. MPC member sees inflation under 4% despite global oil, fertilizer surges. CEO confidence wanes. 75% CEOs say Iran-Israel war, tariffs hurt business momentum. Job market recovery. EPFO added 1.91 million net jobs in April, up 1.2% YoY. Legal developments. Vadra faces charge sheet. ED may file final charge sheet against Robert Vadra in 3 cases soon. RBI eyes board gaps. RBI probing bank board minutes and subcommittees for governance gaps. Banking and finance. RBI scrutinizes boards. RBI questions time spent, dissent resolution, director role in banks. Stancy eyes SME surge. Stancy to scale SME banking in India for wealth biz supply chain. Vadraj deal concluded. Nuvoco Vistas pays 1,800 crore rupees to wrap Vadraj cement acquisition. Credit rating concerns. 1 lakh rupees crore unlisted debt faces regulatory void, CRAs seek clarity. PSB dividends exceed target. PSUs may exceed FY26 dividend target by 16%, Finance Ministry review shows. Corporate finance. Amazon Diagnostics debuts. Amazon enters $15 billion diagnostics market with doorstep lab tests. DLF's Mumbai entry. DLF plans 2,500 crore rupees luxury housing project in Mumbai soon. Raymond Realty expands. Raymond to launch 6 MMR projects this fiscal worth 14,000 crore rupees. Goldman Sachs AI push. Goldman Sachs deploys GenAI tools across 9,000 India engineers. Housing sales dip. Top 9 city housing sales to fall 19% QoQ in Q2 says prop equity. Climate tech falters. Climate tech funding fell to $270 million in H1 2025 from $910 million in 2024. International affairs. US bombs Iran sites. US hit Fordo, Natanz, Isfahan, escalates Middle East war risk. Hormuz closure threatens. Iran vote to block Hormuz may impact 50% of India's crude imports. Tax and compliances. Realty law overhaul. Registration Bill 2025 aims to digitize property records across India. Delhi relaxes licensing. Hotels, clubs no longer need police NOC in Delhi, says LG order. Investments and finance. Gujarat woos electronics. Gujarat targets 35,000 crore rupees investment under Electronics Policy 2025. GSI eyes Zambia copper. India sends team to explore Zambia copper under critical minerals push. Iran crude risks rise. Brent up 22.6% in June, could hit $130 on Strait of Hormuz closure. Freight premiums climb. Shipping rates to Jebel Ali rose 55% in a month amid West Asia crisis. LPG supplies at risk. 66% of Indian LPG from West Asia at risk from Iran conflict. Financial markets. Nifty near 25,200. Nifty faces crucial 25,200 test, volatility from geopolitical tensions. Sensex gains 1.6%. Sensex rises 1.6% weekly, leads with 5.5% YTD local currency gain. Crude drives volatility. Crude oil up 22.6% in June, $130 possible if Hormuz shuts. Rupee near $87. Rupee at 86.59, seen falling to $87 due to oil, war concerns. FPI shift from FMCG. FPI sold FMCG, power, bought into financial stocks in June.